everybody! My name is Vitaly Антощенко and I manage my own company which is in top 100 already for 26 years. And I got a question for you. Do you believe that classical management is still working? According to it, the boss pays money for work and employees doing their work well. Do you believe it's still alive? I don't. Why? Because it's boring and unfair. It doesn't burn fire inside. I insist that we have moved from the old management model to the new one, and I call it positive management. That the management style inspires and burns a passion inside. This style consists of 9 building blocks. For instance, 3 of them. First is the role model of CAO. We're happy to work if the words and actions of our executives are the same. The second is a significant meaning. We are going to be bored if we don't believe that our work is utterly significant. And the third is fairness. It's very easy. It means that rules in our company are the same for everybody and penalties in our company the same for everyone. Positive management could create environment which make people love themselves and love the job they do. If you are interested in the positive management, I could depict for you full picture of how to create such a management style in your company. And I wish you the best. Sincerely yours, Vitaly.